Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to use the DEX feature in the new and improved Trust Wallet for iOS. So let's check it out. And there's also a new feature added recently called push notifications. It will enable you to receive notifications for incoming and outgoing transactions. So that's a cool thing. So if you hit this button, it'll just take you into the settings. Oh, and you'll want to allow notifications for Trust Wallet, which is fine. All right, and then you can also see it here in the settings under push notifications. We've got allow and then send and receive. So those have been enabled. Whenever we send and receive cryptocurrency, we'll get a notification. Let's head over to the new Trust Wallet. It's up there in the top corner. If you don't have it yet, you can go to the App Store and just do a search for Trust Wallet and download the latest version. There it is there. It's the white background with the blue shield icon. All right. So when you launch Trust Wallet, you'll see a list of all of your coins. Now, Trust Wallet is very versatile. It holds Bitcoin, Litecoin, quite a few cryptocurrencies. But it also will hold Ethereum, and it has Ethereum-based tokens as well. So you can hold Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. It's also a Binance-based wallet, so you can hold Binance coin or BNB coin in there. And also you can hold BEP2 tokens, which are the Binance native token. So as you can see here in my wallet, I've got some Bitcoin, I've got some Binance coin, I have some Mithril, some Ethereum, some basic attention token, Polymath. These are all Binance-based tokens and or Ethereum-based tokens. So let me show you how this DEX works. The DEX is pretty cool. It's down there on the bottom, and you can actually trade right within this wallet. So it's a non-custodial wallet. It holds your private keys. You are responsible for your private keys. They're held encrypted on your phone. And it also has a backup phrase, so that if you were to lose the phone or the phone gets damaged, you'll always be able to restore this wallet to a different phone, or the same phone if you have to do a reset, and always have access to this cryptocurrency. So it's a very safe and secure wallet on top of all that. So let me show you how this DEX works. All right, you can use the DEX, and I'm just going to tap it right now, to trade coins, swap coins, so to speak. So you're doing it on a decentralized exchange. Now, the interesting thing is the top where it says you pay, that is the coin that you're going to be selling. And then down at the bottom there where it says you get, it's the coin that you're basically buying, right? You're swapping one coin for the other. So let me show you how this works. Let's tap on top and choose a coin. So these are all the coins that I can use to pay, right? So I'm going to choose Binance. Now, if I choose Binance coin, then it gives me a list of all the coins that I can purchase or swap for Binance coin. So if you'll notice here in this list, they're all the BEP2 tokens, right? So I can swap my Binance coin for, let's just, for example, hit eBoost. And there we go. So I can pay Binance coin and get eBoost. And as you can see, next to the Binance coin over to the left is my current Binance coin balance. So let's say I choose one Binance coin. I'll get 3,000 eBoost coins. And all I have to do is hit next and confirm, and the trade goes through. Pretty cool. And then my wallet will update accordingly, and I'll have one less Binance coin and 3,000 more eBoost coins. Now, let's back out of this. If I don't want to make this trade, I can hit Binance coin again, and this time I'll choose Ethereum as the coin that I want to pay. Now, you'll notice that when I choose Ethereum as the coin that I want to pay, the only coins listed below are ERC20 tokens. So now it's an Ethereum-based decentralized exchange. So if I have an Ethereum balance, which I do, a small balance, I can choose any ERC20 token that I would like, and I can tap it. And there you see, if I change my balance to 0.1, which is the Ethereum that I have, I can conduct a trade and purchase a PPC. And then all I have to do is hit next and confirm, and my balance will be adjusted accordingly. Pretty cool. Now, let's say that I tap as you pay an ERC20 token, such as Polymath. And you can see there that I have a balance. So when I choose Polymath, the only thing that I can sell Polymath for is Ethereum, right? I can't just swap one ERC20 token for another, not directly using this wallet. So I'll tap Ethereum, and there you see. So I've got Poly for Ethereum, and I could put in 200 of my Poly and get 0.0374688 Ethereum. Pretty cool. So let's check something else out. Let's tap You Pay. It takes us back to the beginning. And let's choose Mithril. That's a BEP2 token. And you can see I can choose from all these tokens. Actually, the ones that are zero balance, I'm not really sure what good that would do, right? We would want to choose one that we have a balance of. So I'm going to go to Mithril. And then you'll notice that the only thing that I can trade for Mithril is Binance Coin, right? I can't trade Mithril for another BEP2 token directly, right? So I'll just tap Binance, and there, the trade is all set up. I could hit, and then also down below, you see the 100%, 75%, 50%. I can just tap right on those, like say 50%, and it'll autofill for me. So I'm selling 1,105 myth, and I'll get 0.887 BNB. All I have to do is tap next and confirm, and the trade will go through right on my phone, right in this app. And then after you're successful, you'll just go back to the wallet, and you'll see all of your balances have been adjusted. So this is a really cool way to trade cryptocurrencies right from the wallet in a safe and secure manner. All right, so I got the push notification to work, or it worked for me, however you want to think about it. I wasn't close to the computer at the time, so I just snapped a picture of it. So this was the push notification that I received when I transferred some Ethereum into this Trust wallet. So that's pretty cool. That's a new feature that they recently added. So what can we do with this ETH? All right, so let's check out the wallet. Let's go back over to Trust, right? And then you can tap on Ethereum there and see that transaction that just came in recently. All right, so that's pretty cool. So now that we have the ETH in the wallet, why don't we go to the DEX and see what we can do with it? So I'm going to go down to DEX at the bottom there and tap DEX. And then it's asking me which cryptocurrency I would like to pay or swap for, basically. So I'm going to choose Ethereum. So I can just type it in here and search for it, right? I want to use Ethereum. So Ethereum is the coin that I have a balance of, right? And I want to swap it for something else. So as you can see here, all of the choices down here are ERC20 tokens. And interestingly enough, the ERC20 tokens that you have already owned, as you can see that ADEX has a zero balance, are at the top. Even though the balance is zero, I have held some ADEX in this wallet. Now that it's empty, it's still up there. And then the two that I have a balance of already are there. So let's hit Polymath, and you can see there that it shows my balance of Ethereum, and it shows my balance of Polymath. And so what I want to do is buy a little Polymath with my existing Ethereum. So I'll just tap here, and I'll put in, 0.5 Ethereum. And that's going to get me 2,000 2,387. Notice that it doesn't really show me in dollars what these balances are, but close enough, right? So I'll hit next. All right, and then the next screen is confirmation. It asks me, do I want to swap 0.5 ETH for 2,387 poly? So, and then the button says send. So I'm basically sending the Ethereum out, and it's now pending and will be done soon. So we'll hit OK. All right. And then we can go back to the wallet over here, and you can see there's an alert on the Ethereum that they will be sending it out soon. Let's tap that and see what we got there. Smart contract call, right? So we're using smart contracts to do these swaps. Pretty cool. All right, and then also I've got some Binance. So I could go back to the DEX, and instead of ETH, I can trade Binance. And it's asked me which I want to pay, and I hit Binance. And then I can choose to buy or sell BEP2 tokens on the Binance blockchain. So I'll just kind of check to see what's down today. Looks like Now token is down quite a bit, so it's probably a good time to scoop a little bit of that up. So let's go back to the DEX. We'll hit Binance again, if I can find it. Oh, I'm still in UGET. Okay. So I'll hit Now, and there we go. I got BNB and Now. And so let's just spend one of our BNB coins on Now coin, and I'll hit Next. And then confirm. I'll hit Send. And the swap is successfully completed. You'll notice that the Binance trading happens so much quicker because this wallet is owned by Binance. It was originally conceived by a small company, and Binance bought it. And it is designed very well to work on the Binance blockchain. So when you're trading Binance coins within this wallet, the trades happen very quickly. And there we go. Now we can go back to the wallet. You can see that the Binance balance has already gone down. And my Now token balance has gone up, right? And then Ethereum has finished trading now. That contract is now complete. All right, so I've got more Polymath and less Ethereum now. So pretty cool. This is a non-custodial wallet, which means you have complete control over this wallet. You are not saving your money on some exchange somewhere. This is a decentralized exchange. It's a wallet where you control the private key. It's stored encrypted on your phone. You have the backup phrase in case you lose the phone or damage the phone. It has everything you need to trade safely and securely, and everything is within your custody at all times. All right? So pretty cool. Don't forget I have a live stream every Friday night. Please join me for Live from Michigan every Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Throw out any questions that you may have, and I'll do my best to get them answered right there on the fly. Hope to see you there. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.